In this video, I'm going to show you how to short on Bitunix. So open up Bitunix and you can log into your Bitunix account. So once you've logged into your account here, so on your left side here, choose the token that you want to trade. So simply choose it and then you can either like select from this list or else you can like use the search box here to type it to search for your token. So once you have selected it, so for example, let's click on it. Once you have selected the token, what you're going to do here on your right side here, once you've select the token, on your right side here you will see these options here where you have this limit, market and all those things. Click on the market option here. So click on the market options and then set the quantity that you want to limit, or sorry, that you want to set the limit to short this. So for example, let's say, just say 3. Set the quantity, or you can even use the slider here to set the quantity here for you to short. And once you have set that up, okay, all you have to do is to make a short is click on open short. Okay, so once you have set the quantity here, all you have to do is click on this open short to create the short. Okay, so it's going to ask you for a confirmation page and then click on confirm, and that's it. Your short has now been placed. Okay, and that's basically pretty much it is.